Good afternoon, everyone. I am Chow, a former student of Writers at Work from Primary 6 to Secondary 4. While it has been about 5 years since I graduated, the teacher's commitment has left an indelible mark on me. In Primary 6 and lower secondary, teacher Antia established an open classroom environment to clarify my doubts. I really appreciate that, as it helped me to acclimatize myself to the academic rigor of secondary school. In upper secondary, Teacher James's no-nonsense demeanor provided a conducive learning environment. While we often struggled to craft our topic sentences and complete writing our essays in the short duration, our confidence and speed in essay writing were drastically increased. Outside the classroom, my teachers were instrumental in shaping my leadership outlook. I learned to weigh the short-term reprieve vis-a-vis the long-term potential gains. Besides essay writing skills, teachers play a pivotal role in pushing forwards their students academically and mentally, thereby setting them to take on the curveballs thrown in life. It is through imbuing this can-do spirit in students that makes the lessons memorable. The most memorable lesson I had was the Secondary 4 lesson, Being Different. This personal reflective essay explores the reasons for standing out from the crowd to be free from societal pressure and establish one's self-identity. Having written argumentative essays for most of my secondary school life, this personal reflective essay did not appeal to me initially. Upon Teacher James's insistence to diversify my essay bank, I reluctantly wrote this essay. Serendipitously, I found it refreshing that I could substantiate my personal arguments with experiences and quotes. I even adapted this essay for my Secondary 4 preliminary and the O-level examinations. Beyond secondary school, this Writers at Work lesson instilled in me newfound courage to make a difference in wherever I go. As Rachel Platten observes in Fight Song, like a small boat on the ocean can send big waves into motion, like how a single word can make a heart open. I implore you to recognize the profound impact your lessons have on your students. While not immediately apparent, you are sowing the seeds of courage, confidence, and conviction that will someday blossom. Having found my time in Writers at Work as a student extremely fruitful, I am grateful for the opportunities to help out with curriculum development and teaching after the O and A-level examinations and before university. It has been extremely meaningful improving the curriculum and proposing new teaching pedagogies to empower future batches of Writers at Work students to excel in their examinations and become future-ready global citizens. As you deliver your lessons day after month after year, I fervently hope that your lessons extend far beyond the academics. Your dedication, patience, and passion will leave a profound impact on the next generation of leaders. Thank you for believing in us, for inspiring us, and equipping us with the skills that will last a lifetime. I wish you all the best in the upcoming academic year. Thank you.